So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to the link, which will be down below in the description, or you could just go to any web browser and then type in BitDefender free antivirus. Make sure that you go to the BitDefender website, and now once you're on this, you want to click on free download for Windows. Wait for this to load. It should then start the download automatically. If the download does not start automatically, you want to scroll down and then click right here. Click here to download. And now we're going to click on the download and then click on yes. Wait for this to load. Wait for this to load. And then once you're on this, you want to tick this, choose your language, and then click on install. Wait for this to load. You can now start the device assessment, or you could just skip this. Wait for this to load. And then once we're here, you can now create your account with your full name, email address, and password, and then click on create account, or you could just sign in with either Google, Microsoft, Apple, or Facebook. Or if you already have a BitDefender account, you could just sign in right here with it, with your email. And then yeah, that's how you do it.